think it's a sign, Jacob. That bag's not gonna work. Oh, we got it. We're clear. Holy mackerel. Yeah, make sure nobody sneaks off with the luggage. Man, I'll be back. You actually attended enough to
Yeah.
take out the baggage? Okay. So I have Jacob along to run the electronics for me.
Yeah, I run the electronics. You
I
pay for the
provide
bag,
the
so
card.
I think it's fair.
Yeah, it's a fair trade. You think so? We look like a couple of mercenaries coming into the airport here.
This part right here.
This part right here.
It's really a bargain.
It's really a bargain if you consider what's in the bags.
Yeah, it just took a minute. So Jacob and I are heading down for about 2 weeks here, and we're going to show you a video right now of a trip they did earlier this year, kind of practicing for this trip. So it kind of give you a feel for the project and what we're doing and who we'll be working with. And so yeah, I hope you like it. Like and subscribe, and think about us when we're down there. All right, take care.
Good morning. It's our pleasure to welcome you. In the rainforests of Guatemala, there are tree frogs, colorful birds, exotic salamanders, a wide variety of insects, and a great abundance of epiphytes, just to mention a few. Some species spend their entire life in the rainforest canopy, scarcely setting foot on the forest floor. These arboreal animals were once beyond the reach of scientists, but now tree climbing has given them techniques to explore life in the treetops. The Mayan Rainforest Climbers is a group of biologists led by botanist Jorge Mario Vargas, with the main objective of learning new techniques to access the canopy safely. This group was created as a result of donations by master arborist Kevin Ham, who began a project in Guatemala in 2002, consisting of teaching botanists how to access the rainforest canopy. There is a transformative power in tree climbing that changes your perspective on the world around you and within you. Climb a tree and you will feel that transformative power of trees. Time slows down, every move is deliberate, and the rest of the world just vanishes as you concentrate on moving upward and around. It's the perfect recipe of adrenaline, wonder and joy. Forest canopies are a major source of global biodiversity, supporting as much as 40% of all species on the planet. They contribute significantly to ecosystem function through processes such as photosynthesis, capturing precipitation for the atmosphere, and housing a great deal of flora and fauna. Despite their globally recognized importance as reservoirs of biodiversity and providing important services to human societies, we actually understand little about the biology of forest canopies because of one serious and long-standing issue. How do we get there? The only path to success is to climb. That is why our group, the Mayan Rainforest Climbers, aim to learn techniques to tackle the mysteries that the canopy keeps and teach the human societies the importance of forests